a beautiful start to the day. Really pretty mild again yesterday, very similar. We've got a lot of 50s out the door. 54 right now in Santa Fe, 57 in Tucumcari, and in Albuquerque. We're in the 60s. It's 62 degrees, but this is that blanket of clouds we were just talking about, really covering the entire northern half of the state. A little bit of moisture even tied in with this. Now, a lot of this isn't reaching the ground, but we are going to be seeing a few spots of some wet weather, especially in your mountain area. We may have some, even up towards Las Vegas. But don't be surprised if you head out to your car this morning. There are a few drops on the windshield. Through the day, still holding on to the chance for some mountain rain and storms, but most of us are going to be dry, warm, and breezy for your Tuesday afternoon, with temperatures climbing a little bit more. But here's a look at what we're expecting. Really, the first half of the day is going to be dry. It won't be until around lunchtime and beyond when we start to get a few of the showers starting to develop. And you can see right along the northern and even the southern mountain chain for us today. So John Smith may be tracking a few of these showers for you as we get you through the lunchtime hour. Even into tonight, we could have another round of some showers and storms for us, but most of New Mexico and even southern Colorado is going to stay dry. So for the planner in Albuquerque today, I am keeping it dry, just breezy and warm, 75 degrees at noon, and then into the 80s we go. We'll get up to about 81 degrees at around 5 o'clock, and that breeze, it's already starting to pick up. 10 to almost 15-mile-an-hour breeze, really from Albuquerque northward, and this is going to get up to about 15 to 25 miles with gusts a little bit higher. And you can see this is going to be statewide, about a 10 to 30-mile-an-hour sustained wind for our Tuesday. A lot of the blue covering the map, but a few spots of yellow, which indicates we could get some of the winds over 30 miles an hour for today. So with the winds, the very dry conditions we're still suffering from, we are going to see that fire threat go up. We've got the red flag warning in place for today and tomorrow, and you can see that shaded in the counties in pink. Then we also have the fire weather watch, and that's going to be through Wednesday as well. So we're going to be watching that. Not a good time to be burning. And if we look kind of in the future, we're not going to be seeing a whole lot in the form of our next storm system. Today we have that chance for some mountain showers and storms. But as we take you into tomorrow, the next storm system is actually just going to ride a little bit north of us, and it's going to take the moisture with it. We're going to be on the south side of it, and that's going to bring us some windier conditions, and it's going to keep us with some warm air for a few days still. So today, lots of 70s and 80s. We'll go to 81 in Albuquerque, 74 in Santa Fe, and 80 degrees in Farmington. And as we take you into your 7-day forecast, southern Colorado today, lots of mid-70s and breezy with the chance for a spot storm. As we take you into the north and west, we'll have the 70s and 80s here. 80 degrees right on the dot in Farmington, 78 degrees and Grants, with the southwest wind 15 to 25 miles an hour with a gust at 35 miles an hour. Then into the southwest, breezy here as well. Southwest wind 15 to 25 miles an hour with a gust of 35 miles an hour. And almost all of us in the 80s. Socorro 84 degrees, 86 in TRC, and in Silver City we'll get to 80 degrees right on the nose. As we take you into the south and east, we've got lots of 80s here as well. 83 in Fort Sumner, 80 degrees in Lovington, and 86 in Carlsbad. It'll be partly cloudy and warm for us today. Then as we go to the north and east, lots of 70s here, 76 in Springer, 74 in Roy. But we are going to be checking the chance for a spot storm also. The wind south 20 to 30 miles an hour with a gust of about 40. Into the northern mountains, 67 degrees in Chama, 79 in Espanola, and 74 in Santa Fe, with some showers and storms possible and still on the breezy side. The eastern mountains, a spot shower possible. We'll get to 74 in Cedar Crest, and into the metro area, breezy with a mixture of clouds and sunshine, and a lot of us into the 80s. 82 degrees today in Rio Rancho, and 80 degrees in the Heights, downtown Albuquerque. We'll get to 81 degrees. So your 7-day forecast, not bad again today. It is going to be warm. This time of year, about 71's normal for us, so we're pushing past that by 10. And it is going to be on the breezy side, but the next few days will become a bit more mild with the mid-70s returning. All right.